Weekend Modder here with a quick send-in service proof video for Eliel C of Pennsylvania. This is the console that you send in for our GH service. It is a Trinity motherboard, has a onboard 4 gig memory module. So we RGH'd it using the ACE V3 with CR4 speedup technique. We left the LEDs the default green as you had NA indicated on your send-in form as far as LED color, so we just left it. The backup disk inside your send-in form paper here contains copies of your original NAND as well as copies of the modified NAND that's now written to your console. Those are NAND dump 1 and 2 .bin, which are the originals, and then UPD flash .bin, which is the modified NAND. Let's see, that was about a 30-second or so boot time. You can see the ring of light animation here indicating that. And then we've got Freestyle Dash, Dash Launch, XEX Menu, and Aurora Dash all pre-installed on the console. By default here, it's going to boot up directly into Freestyle Dashboard. But again, those other softwares are installed as well. So yeah, we definitely appreciate your business. We'll go ahead and get this thing packed up. That way it can head back out your way. We may actually still make the mail today. If not, it may actually not be picked up by the mailman until tomorrow. So thank you for your business, and hope you enjoy. Thanks.